Howdy guys and gals, Mikey V here with a couple of updates. I'm going to be doing a couple of shoutouts here. First one is going to be for Jonrms. His channel is doing a road to 1,000 subscriber giveaway. He's got a lot of really great content. I think y'all should go check him out if you haven't already done so. Make sure that you tell him Mikey V sent you. I mean, it doesn't really mean anything special, but it's always nice to know where your new subscribers come from. Go check out his giveaway and show him some support. If you haven't already done so, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so it's ringing so you get notifications from him. He's a really great guy. A lot of really good content, as I've already said before. Second shout out's going to be for J3B. He just went over 3,000 subscribers. I'm going to include a link to both of their, to Jonrms' giveaway, and I'm going to include a link to one of J3B's latest videos. He's got some really great content too. He's a really nice guy. He's my neighbor to the north up in Canada, so he's not too far away. Wouldn't be bad to do a collaboration someday since it's not too far of a drive. But I think you should definitely go check out both of those channels. Give them a like, subscribe, make sure the bell's ringing. Tell them Mikey V sent you. I'm sure most of you have probably heard of J3B since a lot of my subscribers follow the same people I do. But definitely go check both of those out if you haven't already done so. The second thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing an update on this Gears of War coin. Well, again, not really a coin round, but it is not magnetic. I did that test off camera. I was really surprised that it wasn't magnetic. It's definitely metal, so I don't know what kind of metal this might be. It's got some weight to it. The second thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be weighing it to see exactly how much it weighs. So, I don't know how well you can see that. There, it's zeroed out. This thing weighs 31.8 grams. That's pretty hefty. I don't know, if you guys have any idea on what kind of metal it might be made out of, go ahead and put it in the comments. But the second thing I'm going to be doing is, I bought this a while back for my own collection as my first, second slabbed coin that I bought. The first one was stolen, unfortunately. This is an MS62 PCGS slabbed 1924 piece dollar. You can see it's got a bit of a tarnish on the wing there, and a bit of a blemish in the hair. Well, you can't really see it too well, but I've included photos of both of these coins, this coin and pretty much everything else I picked up on my Snups account. If you haven't gone to Snups to do so, it's a great platform for anybody that has a mobile phone and is a collector like I am. You can upload photos of your collections. You can set to, if you want, to take offers. You can set it to post things on eBay. You can do all sorts of stuff and interact with a lot of the other members of the community. It's just a really, really, really great app to use. There's a better view of the splotch on the wing. And then you can kind of see the dark spot in the hair there. If it wasn't for all the scratches and the two splotches, this probably would have gotten a much better rating. But anyway, go ahead and check out those two channels. I'm going to include a link to both of their videos in the description. Go ahead and check it out. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Hit like if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and give me a dislike. Doesn't really bother me. Either way, thanks for joining me. Mikey V, signing out.